Hey bud, what are you reading?
I'm reading about Triton's newest quarter sheet sander.
No way! So this is Triton's newest sander, the TQTRSS, and it's a 200 watt Orbital Palm Sander.
It's got some awesome features, so let's have a look. This is a square base quarter sheet sander, which means you can use square sanding pads, or you can take a regular sheet of sandpaper and cut it into quarters.
The unit itself is nice and compact, but it is surprisingly powerful for its size.
So let's run through the specs. This is a 200 watt machine with a power output of 12,000 RPM. It's also got a comfortable rubber grip, and that combined with the square sanding area means that it's great for small projects or getting into those tight spaces which other sanders sometimes struggle with.
As well as that, it has an orbital sanding action and also offers different options for mounting sandpaper. This is actually one of our favourite features on the sander, so let's go through that in a little bit more detail.
You can either use hook and loop sandpaper, which comes included in the box, or you can use regular sandpaper using the built-in clamping mechanism on the sander.
To do this, grab yourself a regular sized sheet of sandpaper, cut it up into 4, and then attach it like this. The sander also comes with a nifty little punch plate, which means you can punch in those dust collection holes if you're not using the mesh pads provided. This really helps extend the life of your sandpaper, as it means it won't clog up so quickly. But if you're using the mesh pads, you won't need to punch the holes in these, as the air can already flow through. If they do clog up, to clean those, just give them a hit with some compressed air.
When sanding, it's always important to use some sort of dust collection. You can either go with the dust collection canister provided, or you can attach it to your dust collection system. We use a Rockler hose, and we find that fits perfectly. Once you've got your sandpaper installed and your dust collection sorted, all you need to do is switch the unit on. The on-off button is located right at the front on the top under a dust protected cover.
So let's take a look at what you get in the box. So firstly, you get a carry case to keep everything together, then obviously the sander itself, the dust collection canister, the sandpaper punch plate, and a selection of mesh sandpapers. These come in a range of grits, too early, ranging from 80 to 120. Nearly, T to 120, still early, 80 to 120. Yes! That was so good. So this sander's been getting a lot of use in our workshop, mainly because it's so sort of small and compact, as you can see, which means it's really comfortable to use over a long period of time.
We're also loving the fact that we can use up some of the thousands of bits of sandpaper in the workshop thanks to the handy little clamps.
The only downside seems to be we're arguing a lot more over who gets to use the punch plate.
Hope you found that useful. See you in the next one.
Quarter sheet sander!
Oh damn!